Is your child facing difficulties with social skills during structured play? Stay tuned for the latest strategies designed to enhance their social interactions. In board games and group activities, structured play isn't just about having a good time. It's a cornerstone of learning and growth for children of all ages. It provides a framework for interaction, cooperation, and communication, laying the foundation for healthy social development. From board games that teach turn-taking and patience, to team sports that foster collaboration and sportsmanship, structured play offers countless opportunities for children to engage with others, navigate social dynamics, and learn from shared experiences. By participating in structured play, children learn how to communicate effectively, work as part of a team, and resolve conflicts peacefully. These skills are not only essential for success in school, but also lay the groundwork for positive relationships and interactions throughout life. So, whether it's a game of tag on the playground or a collaborative art project in the classroom, structured play plays a crucial role in shaping the social skills and interpersonal abilities that children carry with them into adulthood. Now that we understand the importance of structured play, let's address some of the common challenges that individuals may encounter in these settings. One of the most prevalent issues is communication barriers. Whether it's trouble expressing oneself clearly or difficulty understanding others, communication breakdowns can hinder meaningful interaction and collaboration. Additionally, many individuals find it challenging to work as part of a team. Cooperation and collaboration require patience, compromise, and the ability to listen to others' perspectives, skills that don't always come naturally to everyone. Finally, the feeling of being left out or marginalized can be a significant barrier to participation in structured play. Whether due to social anxiety, differences in ability, or exclusion by peers, feeling disconnected from the group can dampen enthusiasm and confidence. These challenges can be particularly daunting for individuals who struggle with social skills or have difficulty navigating social interactions. However, with the right strategies and support, these obstacles can be overcome, and structured play can become a rewarding and enriching experience for all. Now let's explore 20 innovative strategies designed to enhance social skills during structured play. Strategy number 1, active listening. Encourage participants to listen attentively to others, wait for their turn to speak, and ask clarifying questions to demonstrate understanding. Strategy number 2, turn-taking. Emphasize the importance of taking turns and sharing resources fairly to promote a sense of equity and cooperation. Strategy number 3, conflict resolution. Teach effective conflict resolution skills, such as using I statements to express feelings, finding compromises, and seeking adult intervention when necessary. Strategy number 4, empathy building. Foster empathy by encouraging participants to consider others' feelings and perspectives, practicing perspective-taking exercises, and discussing how actions impact others. Strategy number 5, social scripting. Provide participants with scripts or prompts to navigate social situations, such as introducing themselves, joining a group, or asking for help when needed. Strategy number 6, cooperative play. Encourage collaborative activities where participants work together towards a common goal, fostering teamwork and mutual support. Strategy number 7, nonverbal communication. Teach participants to interpret and use nonverbal cues effectively, such as body language, facial expressions, and gestures to enhance social interaction and understanding. Strategy number 8, positive reinforcement. Celebrate and acknowledge positive social behaviors, such as sharing, taking turns, and offering assistance to reinforce desired actions and encourage their repetition. Strategy number 9, social stories. Create and share social stories that depict common social scenarios and provide guidance on appropriate behaviors and responses, helping participants navigate social situations with confidence. Strategy number 10, structured role-playing. Organize role-playing activities where participants can practice social skills in simulated scenarios, such as ordering food at a restaurant or resolving conflicts with friends. Strategy number 11, peer modeling. Pair participants with peers who demonstrate strong social skills, allowing them to observe and emulate positive behaviors in a supportive environment. Strategy number 12, visual supports. Utilize visual aids such as charts, diagrams, and visual schedules to provide clear instructions and cues during structured play activities, promoting understanding and independence. Strategy number 13, social coaching. Offer individualized guidance and support to participants as they navigate social interactions, providing feedback, encouragement, and strategies for improvement. Strategy number 14, mindfulness exercises. Introduce mindfulness techniques such as deep breathing, body scanning, and grounding exercises to help participants regulate emotions, reduce stress, and enhance focus during play. Strategy number 15, inclusive play environments. Create inclusive play spaces that accommodate diverse needs and preferences, ensuring that all participants feel welcome, valued, and supported during structured activities. Strategy number 16, self-regulation strategies. Teach participants self-regulation techniques such as taking breaks, using calming tools, and practicing self-talk to manage emotions and behavior during play. Strategy number 17, social problem solving. Guide participants through problem-solving exercises that involve identifying social challenges, generating solutions, and evaluating outcomes, promoting critical thinking and decision-making skills. Strategy number 18, sensory accommodations. Consider individual sensory needs and preferences when planning and implementing structured play activities, providing accommodations such as sensory-friendly materials, quiet spaces, and sensory breaks. Strategy number 19, peer support networks. Facilitate opportunities for participants to form peer support networks where they can connect, share experiences, and offer encouragement to one another, fostering a sense of belonging and community. And finally, strategy number 20, reflective practice. Encourage participants to reflect on their social experiences, identify areas for growth, and set goals for future improvement, promoting self-awareness and continuous learning. Meet Emily, a once shy 7-year-old who struggled in social situations. With structured play strategies, she learned to take turns, share, and communicate effectively. Now she's confident, outgoing, and thriving both academically and socially. Structured play made all the difference, showing the power of intentional activities in shaping children's social skills. In conclusion, structured play offers a multitude of benefits for developing essential social skills. From active listening to conflict resolution, these strategies empower individuals to navigate social interactions with confidence and ease. By incorporating these techniques into daily routines and play activities, individuals can enhance communication, collaboration, and problem-solving skills, setting the stage for lifelong success in social settings. Remember, structured play isn't just about having fun. It's a powerful tool for building connections, fostering empathy, and creating meaningful relationships. So, let's embrace the magic of structured play and watch our social skills soar. Ready to level up your child's social skills? Give these strategies a try in their next structured play session. Help your child thrive. Watch our next video for expert tips and activities. Subscribe for more.